Hello, I'm Terry Dayton, here to introduce the last of the 3C stack series. This is serial number 4. This is a little 2-watt amplifier, great for bedroom practice applications. In a minute here I'll show you what it's all about. Okay, here's a guided tour of the newest of the 3C stack amplifiers. This amplifier, the artwork was actually taken from another amp I do that's called the Valiant. And if you want to see what the Valiant's all about, you can take a look on YouTube. Eric DeBar is doing a real cool demo of that amplifier. And if you're interested in it, shoot me an email. Alright, now the little 3C amplifier runs 3 tubes, a 6X4 rectifier, 6AQ5 output, and a 6AV6 preamp tube. Alright, now you may think that the 6AV6 tube is an oddball, but it's actually one half of a famous tube that's called a 12AX7. It performs as well as that tube, but it doesn't have 2 sections. Okay, so what I'm going to do, so you can have a little fun with this amp, is I'm also going to include a 6AT6 tube that you can substitute in the place of the 6AV6 and get the same tone effect as you would substituting a 12AT7 for a 12AX7 in your typical amplifier. Alright, as you can see, you have a speaker output jack here and a line out for recording. Now top side, you have the selector switch. Now that switch is for 8 ohm or 4 ohm speakers. It's a tap on the triode output transformer, okay? So for the internal 6x9 speaker, you'd run an 8 ohm, or if you had an external speaker of some type, you could go to 4 ohm, okay? And to plug that in, you simply unplug this 1/4" jack and plug your speaker in. Alright, let's fire up the little 3C here. Give you a quick demonstration of its capabilities. And I am using an audio generator as an input. And what do we have here? Hey, it's another Valiant in production. Okay. Alright, the tubes are glowing in the dark. Alright, and if you look over here on the old oscillating television, I'm going to bring her up. You can see the nice clean sine wave. And reach over here and kind of vary the frequency a little bit. Hey, look at there, alright? And you can kind of hear the tone. I'm going to go to a high frequency. You can hear the tone control and see it. Okay, you can see the tone working there. Alright. Alright, next we're going to go into a live demonstration mode. I brought in a guy from a band to play a few chords on this amp to kind of give you a demonstration of what she sounds like. So stay tuned. One thing I failed to show you is the speaker, which is an old vintage 1960s Whizzer cone. It's got some really neat highs. I think you'll like it. And all my amps come with full documentation, so you'll get a schematic that I generate in Visio.